In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive file via Gmail. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to give someone access to a file directly from your Drive, and you'll understand exactly what kind of access you're granting. First, open Google Drive in your browser or the desktop app and find the file you want to share. You can search by name or browse your folders. When you see it, right-click the file to open the context menu. From there, click Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who gets access and what they can do. In the field that says Add People or Groups, type the recipient's Gmail address. Take a moment to double-check the address so your file goes to the right person. Just below, set the level of access. Choose Viewer if you want them to look at the file without making changes. Choose Commenter if you're inviting feedback but don't want the original content altered. Choose Editor if you trust them to make changes, upload versions, or reorganize content depending on the file type. This choice is important, so pick the one that matches your goal. You can also type a short note in the message box to give context, like why you're sharing or what you'd like them to review. When everything looks good, click Send. The recipient will get an email from Google Drive with a secure link, and they'll be able to access the file with the permissions you set. If you prefer to send the link yourself through Gmail, you can do that too. Right-click the same file and click Copy Link. This places the file's link on your clipboard. Open Gmail, start a new email, and paste the link into the message. Add any explanation you want right in the body of the email, then click Send. Keep in mind, this link works for people who already have access. If they don't, they may be prompted to request it, and you'll get a notification to approve. If you want to avoid back and forth, the share option from Drive is usually the smoothest because you set access before sending. That's it. Once you send it, the recipient gets access via Gmail. Use Viewer to protect your content, Commenter for feedback, and Editor for full collaboration. Choose the method that fits your workflow, and you'll be sharing confidently in seconds.